All right, we are through, in essence, the first week of harvest. It's a pretty slow and easygoing start so far. We only had the Pinot Gris come in, which is fermenting delightfully right now. Pretty much halfway through its fermentation. A couple of lots are maybe like 2/3 through, so we got another like 6 to 7 days, maybe a little longer for someone to finish up. They're all sitting right here, chilling behind me, just fermenting in barrel, doing what they do best. Relatively mellow week. I've just been babysitting these 9 yahoos over the last 6 days, basically making sure the fermentations are cruising along, things are smelling, tasting well, that they're progressing. In between that, we have had to get ready for a bottling run. That's what I did all weekend, was blend lots together, get them up the tank. We're bottling on Friday. Luckily, we have no fruit coming in this week. Everything's pushing back to next week or the week after with a little bit of heat that we have rolling through. There's quite the heat spike coming, so we'll see how that happens. Nothing like bottling and harvest at the same time. Pro tip, don't do it.